welcome back to my channel. Okay, so before going, let's do a fit check. Shoes. So basically, we are going to a waterfalls. Okay, I don't know what, where.
Batyalamadu waterfall.
Batyalamadu waterfall. Now it's like what, 8:30? It's 8:30, so now we are going to eat breakfast and then we will meet everybody. Everybody is late, very late,
Including you.
including us. Okay, including us.
I was ready.
So now, yeah, we'll go eat breakfast. It's chole bhature today. So yeah, I'll meet you when we are eating. Hi guys. So we have met up with another person from the people who are going. And here's chole bhature. Chole bhature. Apparently it's nice. Is it nice? So let's eat and then we'll meet you with others. One more member added. Say hi. Yeah, so we're walking to
The library.
bus stand.
Somewhere there.
Bus stand now. Let's go. Guys, we've got two more members. Say hi. Say hi, Rishit.
Hello.
So there's two more members. And now he's running because we are late.
So, west side.
Chotu Chari.
What's up, vlog?
Going to waterfall.
Let's go. Finally, everybody is assembled except two people who are waiting. Now we are in the bus. Edition, say hi. So basically now we are out to go. If we should take auto or bus or what. We are right now in the bus stop. So now we are sitting in the auto going directly to the falls. So it's us three in this auto and there's two more autos which they are moving.
OTP add.
So yeah, they are coming. First is our auto only, so we are going starting with. So yeah. Look at them coming out. They are here. Okay. So they are here. The other bus. No, the what? The other cab is still coming. We got another member. Teja, say hi.
Hi.
So now the other cab still did not come. So we are waiting for the other cab to come. So
jealous of your girlfriend, you know how
yeah. Okay, so now we are waiting for the other cab, and then oh, it came. Every time I vlog, it comes. They came. Let's go. And now we can finally go to the waterfalls. Guys, so basically only our auto scammed us. They took 180. But other people, they came in auto. It took 110 for the other auto and 145 for the cab. We paid 180 for auto to come till here. So everybody is here, guys. We can go now. So yeah, they scammed us, guys. Look at the monkeys, guys. So here's the lake. So now we are going towards the waterfall. This is the lake, by the way. Now we'll go 16 minutes walk apparently. Right now we are trekking towards the waterfalls. So let's go. Look at the view, so pretty.
Upside mean at the road. Arey bro, upside mean in this way.
Guys, we just trekked all that way.
This is influencer guys. This is other.
Okay guys, so now we officially lost the way.
I'm navigating.
We mostly we lost the way, but then we again opened the map and then it showed us some of the jungle and there's nobody here, nobody. Oof! And now we are all walking from here. We got scared. Bro, imagine if I'm going. We are going. We are going. What if it starts? Teja! Teja! Is he mad or what? What if it starts chasing us? Teja, don't! Cows, guys.
Come this side.
Trek, guys. Basically, we found two strangers who were coming from that way, okay? And they told us that there is no way that side. And now we are going back towards the main entrance. That cow is looking at us. What if it runs?
We can't go this way again.
What if it runs?
Banda hua.
Yeah! It is deeply. Now it's not looking. Okay. So they are the strangers. Seems they want to explore. So we are going that way only. Which way they told us not to go. Okay. Yeah. That is the way of exploration, है ना? We came through some way, but I don't know where we are stranded now.
I'm the one who bought all of them here.
So yeah, it's in the middle of the jungle. So if some lion or something comes, he will fight.
Yeah.
He will fight. So we are going inside the jungle somewhere. I have literally no clue where we are, what we are doing, why we are trekking here, where we are going. And everybody is coming in line. So yeah, it's called exploring, it seems. So let's see. So now we are going back from the same way we came because there was no way. Now we are again.
We have to pluck all this glass and keep in Teja's mouth.
So because of Teja, we came all this way and now we're again going back all this way. To this place and now we are all drinking Coke. And you know what? We gave it Coke. Finally we are in the right way. Finally we are going through the stairs. There are people also. Finally there are people. We are not alone. Come to this place. Now we are trying to set the camera up. We finally arrived, but it is not that great. See, this is the waterfall. It seems this is the waterfall. What is this? Is the waterfall? What is? Look at the water. It's so dirty. There are people here, guys. Finally.
ट्रांसपेरेंट और में आएगा मछलियां भी
Okay, yeah. So now I'm standing on some rock. I am pura ऐसे doing. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. Yes. There also people are taking pictures. There also people are taking pictures. No biceps.
नो बाइसेप्स only bones only bones
Not only fans, I have only boats.
He's enjoying his life.
Nonchalant.
Nonchalant. One more nonchalant. Satra. Nonchalant.
Hey, gira bhai. Hey.
Very hard to take a Okay guys, now we are going back. We are sitting here waiting for autos and cabs and nobody is coming, so we are basically stranded in this waterfalls. So yeah, every waiting, they are trying to book cab, they are also waiting. So yeah, let's see if we can get cab, auto or not. Nobody is coming, nobody is taking. Oh no, nobody is taking. We are officially stranded, guys. We are stranded. Guys, so we finally found our auto. Only us though. The other 4 people are still there only. Five people are still there.
The earliest we left here.
Yeah, we came early, we left early. We're going.
With one imposter.
One more person is also there here. Let's go. Basically,
We missed another bus.
no, what happened was we were sitting, okay, and Anikal Circle came. We didn't pay still, and while we were paying, they left, and then we went to the next stop, and now we are walking back to Anikal Circle. Oh my God, yeah, that is what has happened. Hi guys, so now we came.
The restaurant,
Finally we came to the restaurant, and now we all are sitting. And now we are ordering. I'm gonna eat so much today, I can't even explain. So yeah. How much do you think the bill would be?
1.5 to 2k 2.5
2.5 to 3. 2.9.
1.5.
2054. I was
2054. Okay.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys, so we're back in our university. Meet you in my next vlog. Bye.